How to fix login error in a Hotwire application. First, before anything, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network, and to do that, swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a better internet connection. After that, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem, you can simply go to your settings, click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Hotwire application. Tap on Hotwire application and click on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the app. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.